Seeing AD or DC error on your Samsung washing machine? Don't worry, it just means the door isn't closing or locking properly. Ensure that the washing machine door is properly closed. Make sure not to open the washing machine door while a cycle is running, as this can interrupt the locking process. Check for obstructions by removing any clothing or items caught between the door and the machine body, as these can prevent proper locking. Do not overload the washing machine, as this might trigger a DC error. Unplug the washing machine from the power outlet, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once it's powered, press the start, pause button to restart the cycle. Lastly, keep the gasket clean by gently pulling back the rubber to check for dirt, lint, mold, or small objects like coins or hairpins trapped inside. Use a damp cloth with mild detergent. Wipe all around and inside the folds of the gasket. Use a clean, dry cloth to wipe the gasket completely dry. Moisture can lead to mold and bad smells. For extra freshness, leave the door open after each wash to let the gasket air out.